Here we are at one of the mobile applications that we would like to highlight during this GTEx. This is relevant to the healthcare industry, which is a very important industry, lots of investments in this region. Basically enabling people who work in the healthcare industry, particularly hospitals, to be able to use digital mobile technology effectively to be very efficient. We know about how hospital is. A hospital is also a service industry. We need to take care of patients. So what it does basically is uses the electronic medical records which are available for patients, historical records which are assumed available on the server. You think of a big hospital, the doctor is in his cabin, but he's got to go and consult patients. Patients are at a different location. So what does he do? He has to walk down. So as he walks, he has the tablet in his hand. He's already pulled the information of the patient. Hospital obviously runs wireless, secured wireless. And when he goes and sits in front of the patient, he's got the complete history of the patient, including the last consultation. Consultation starts, and then he's able to diagnose, find out the problem, prescribe the medicines. During that time, blood pressure check, whatever, all of this information is updated on the tablet, pushed back into the server. That's in a nutshell. And the same little fine-tuned application could be also available with nurses with smaller devices, so they can get in a lot of information, because they're the ones who typically take the temperature, they take the weight, the height, whatnot. So they can be updating against the same patient some of the other important records. So they are uploading that as the doctor is doing the diagnosis and then prescribing the medicines. You know?
So this is basically a MEMR system. What you see here is the main page of a doctor's tablet, which he carries in his pocket. And this provides a quick summary of all his patients that are listed for him. So these are his inpatients, and before he has to attend any patient, he could see all their medical history, and which helps him to be productive and make use of his time towards the consultancy of his patient. He could take down notes, do orders, lab tests, all other aspects of any inpatient. Similarly, he could handle his outpatients and his appointments here schedule. In addition to that, there's support for his operations schedule. All data for his operations schedule is visible to him. Every data comes to him at his inbox for him to be aware of it, and he could see all data, including the hospital information system data. It connects to the backend HL7 network and the PACS servers for the X-ray and other medical imaging. And everything is visible to him before he goes to an operation, so he could handle an operation effectively and productively in real time. The basic architecture of this product is displayed here.